Listen, you seen the title and the thumbnail, and I know you're saying to yourself, man, this looking good, what he got going on in that kitchen today. And I'm gonna show you guys, we got that fajita pasta with chicken and sausage. Man, y'all ready? Get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here we have our pasta. Now, I don't even know the name of this pasta. I'm not gonna mess it up. It's called Fusilli. Fusilli is this pasta right here. You can use penne pasta or rigatoni, whatever you want. It's totally up to you. You can even use fettuccine if you want to, but I'm using this particular pasta. We have our boneless chicken breast here, chicken broth, freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Here we have red, orange, and green bell peppers here, olive oil, some heavy whipping cream, red onion, some Rotel here. We got some smoked sausage here. Now guys, you can eliminate the smoked sausage. It's totally up to you. I think it adds some additional flavor for those who eat pork, but hey, leave it out if you don't like it, all right? Freshly chopped garlic and grated Parmesan here, not the freshly grated right here. This is grated Parmesan that you put on your pizza. Right here we have some fajita seasoning mix, and right here we have fajita seasoning, and this is gonna be for our chicken. So, y'all ready? Let's get to it. So to get started, we're gonna season our chicken with our fajita seasoning mix. Now, if you don't have fajita seasoning mix, use whatever you have, salt and pepper, some garlic powder, onion powder. But of course, since we're making fajita pasta, especially use something that aligns with that. That's why I chose this. And we're gonna get that mixed in like this. That's what we have, guys. All right, now we're gonna sit this aside. Let's head over to our stove. So before we get started, you wanna cook your pasta according to the box instructions. So now I've already added our olive oil here in our pan. It's a tablespoon of olive oil. We're gonna get that up to temperature over a medium-high heat. All right, so now that we've added our sausage, we're gonna cook these over a medium-high heat, making sure they're brown on both sides. All right, so it looks like we're good with our sausage. We're gonna start removing these babies. We're gonna set them aside. So next thing we're gonna do, keep our heat running. We're gonna add our chicken. And we're gonna cook this all the way through. All right, so it looks like we're good with our chicken. We're gonna go ahead and get this baby removed. I'm gonna put it here in a bowl and I'm gonna let it rest for a bit, and then we're gonna get it chopped up into bite-sized pieces. All right, but while we let it rest, we're gonna continue by adding the last tablespoon of olive oil. Now we're gonna add our bell peppers and onions, and we're gonna get these sauteed for a few minutes until they soften. All right, so once those veggies are softened, you're gonna go in with your garlic, and we're gonna cook this for an additional minute or so till we smell that garlic aroma that brings us out of the other room to and say, hey man, what you cooking? Mama, what you cooking? Baby, what you cooking? Hubby, what you cooking? Boy, what you cooking? Girl, what you cooking? All right, so after that minute, I didn't put this in the shot, but we're gonna add some tomato paste here. We're gonna get this mixed around in here just to get it combined. Once we get that well combined, we're gonna come in or go in with our chicken broth. Now you can also use beef broth if you want, it's totally up to you. We're gonna add our heavy whipping cream, our Rotel, our fajita seasoning mix, and that Parmesan, or grated Parmesan cheese, not the freshly grated. And we're gonna get this mixed up. We're gonna turn our heat up. We want this baby to come to a boil. As you can see, our mixture is coming to a boil. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna turn our heat down to low. We're gonna cover this baby up, and we're gonna let it cook for about 15 minutes until that sauce starts to thicken, all right? All right, so after about 7.5 minutes, we're gonna lift our veil like this. Man, this is looking so good, so good. Now, we still got another 7.5 minutes to go, but We're gonna add our sausage in here along with our chicken. And we're gonna get this mixed in like this. And then we're gonna come behind that also with our pasta. We're definitely gonna get that folded in here. Allow that pasta to soak up some of that mixture while it thickens up. Just like that. So we're gonna put the top back on it, let it finish cooking for another 7 minutes till it thickens up, and we're gonna come right back. All right, guys, so we're about another 7.5 minutes in. We're gonna move our top. We're gonna give this baby a quick stir. Man, that's looking good. That is looking good. Good, good. I'm gonna turn our heat off. We don't even need that anymore. Man, this is looking absolutely delicious. Now to finish this off, we're gonna take our Parmesan cheese. We'll add it here. And we're gonna mix this up in here to help thicken it just a little bit more. So now I'm gonna put the top back on it, let all those flavors come together, let it sit for about 5 minutes, allow it to continue to thicken up just a little bit, and we're gonna come right back for our final presentation and quality control. There you have it, guys. Fajita pasta with chicken and sausage. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control. Let's do a taste test. Listen, it's quality control time, and I know y'all been waiting on that final presentation. Guys, take a look at that right there. Let's go ahead and give it a taste test. I want some chicken, and I want some sausages on this baby. God, I'm telling you, I just want a butterfly in here. Man, I want to do the butterfly. Oh, man. Oh, move this to the top of the list. It's fajita pasta with sausage and chicken. Now, guys, remember, if you don't want the sausage, leave it out. Or put turkey sausage in there. I like sausage in mine. I like pork sausage, all right? So, to the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.